Hey there, welcome to this YouTube series on how to use Figma. I'm super excited to do this and show you the ropes on this awesome technology that we can leverage to make really great mock-ups and wireframes for the applications that we're making, whether they be on mobile or desktop or for any other usage you have for Figma. We'll say in this case that we're working on a desktop application, right? And so the first inclination we would have is to already start on the website, maybe get some text out and say, welcome to my website, maybe for your homepage, that's what you want to say. So that's looking good. Maybe you want to have an image that for now you're just going to represent with like a rectangle here. And you're liking it, but you'll notice really quickly, this is nice and all, but these two things, this rectangle and this text, they're essentially just floating within this infinite space that Figma has to offer, which is not so good, right? Because we want to see how do these things work and how do they fit within the sizing of a screen, right? And so if we're making a desktop application, it'd be super good to essentially see like the canvas, like an artist has a canvas. It'd be great to see the dimensions of the screen so we know how to size everything. And this is where framing comes in Figma. If you just go here to the region tools and then select frame, you'll notice first off we can do a custom sized frame. So if there was a device that was, a really weird hot dog shape, you could do it like that. But most times what you'll find yourself doing if you select frame again, you'll notice off to the side they have some pre-built resolutions of like typically sized devices that we can use. And so one that I always like to go to is this MacBook Pro 14-inch, since it's a really common resolution. And then you'll just click on it, it opens up, and you'll see here's the frame. And since this is going to be a screen on our web page, we can actually go in and rename it. We'll just call this the home page, since this is where we're going to go when we first hop on the site. And then now these were the two things we wanted in our home page. So now we can just go ahead and drag over them, select them, and move them in. And you'll notice, sure enough, here they are just inside of the frame. And you can look over here off to the side and see that they are indeed inside of this home page. Another cool thing about frames too is if we go over here after selecting our frame and hit the play icon, you'll notice it opens up basically a preview or a prototype of what our website is going to look like. And so here it has the resolution, and you can see sizing wise, oh, that's about how big that rectangle is going to look, that image. This is about how big the text is going to look. And it's cool because it updates on the fly as well. Say we wanted to adjust this, and so we highlight these, and we wanted to move it more to the middle, we could do something like that. And then you'll notice when we go back into this, all of a sudden on the fly, it is readjusted for us. So super nice feature there. Frames are excellent, and they're the basic building block through which we can make many other things in Figma. So if you like this video, stay tuned because I got a lot more videos to come.